our sponsor. Again, it's not sponsored by Cherry. It's sponsored by
K-Prime Builders.
Oh, K-Prime Builder. Hi everyone! This is Jasmine and Marie and I am back for another video. Okay? So this time naman, it's an unboxing video, but it's different from the unboxing that I used to make. Okay? So this one it's about it's not about fashion, it's not about gadgets for the cell phones and everything. But this time it's an unboxing video about our safety. Okay? So, by the way, this is not sponsored by Cherry. Okay? So, this unboxing video and these items are sponsored by K-Prime Builders. Okay? So, salamat Papa Reynaldo Singson for the personal air purifier for the full family. Okay? So, he bought kasi like kung ilan-ilan para sa buong family. Okay? So, again, salamat K-Prime Builders. Okay? It's not sponsored by Cherry, ha? Okay. So, we'll just move this one. And then, I am going to start unboxing this Cherry Personal Air Purifier. It's Cherry Ion Personal Air Purifier. Kasi, di ba, like right now, sa mga bahay-bahay, uso yung mga air purifier. So, that's medyo malaki. So, naglabas sila ng ganito so that, like, it's really portable. You can use it everywhere you go and dagdag sa iyong safety. Okay? So, okay, let's unbox this one. Actually, it comes in different colors. This personal air purifier, it comes in colors white and pink, white and rose gold, black and silver, black and gold, and online meron din ako nakitang like black and purple. Pero I think the one they got is black and rose gold ata ito, or black and gold. So the black and gold, that's the newest color of this one, the Cherry Ion Personal Air Purifier. Okay? So the one that they got for the family is, I don't know if this one is black or gold or black or rose gold. Anyway, so this is the Cherry Air Purifier, Personal Air Purifier. So I'm just going to remove it in the cellophane. Ay, ang cutie niya. Oh. Ay, look at this one. Diba? Yan, nakikita niyo. So, may reflection. It's really glossy. Okay, as you can see, the front part and then the back part is the same. And then, the side niya, it's gold, or I don't know if it is rose gold. Okay. So, the upper part niya, it comes with brush, I think. Pero, you should not like galaw-galaw the brush. And then, this one is the charging port. This one is the power. And then, this one is the indicator if it's with charge or palubat na. Okay, so let's turn it on. So, ayan, as you can see, it's with charge pa. Okay. So, let's turn it off first. Okay. The other items inside the box is, so let's just remove it. It's the cord para pag chinarge mo yung personal air purifier mo. So, this one is the cord, and then the necklace strap, which is adjustable. Okay, so ayan. Okay, so it also comes syempre with a manual. Okay, so I really don't have any idea regarding this one. So, let's just check it out. Okay. So, as indicated, the Cherry Ion personal wearable. So, you can wear it like a necklace. Okay. So, sa panahon ngayon, like the, you know, the, what's happening in our world, the pandemic, keme-keme. So, let's make a way for us to be, you know, mas safe sa ating buhay. So, this one, ayan, is, the necklace is already attached na. Ayan. Okay. So, I'm just going to wear it while checking out what's the advantage in using this one. Okay. So, isama na din siya sa ating fashion ngayon. So, if you want to make it like a choker style, parang mas nice kasi like, mas malapit siya sa iyong like nose. Okay? So, okay. This one, again, the Cherry Ion Personal Wearable Air Purifier is safe and healthy portable device that emits 50 million ions per cubic meter per second and takes away harmful airborne pollutants. Okay? It creates 3-feet zone of cleaner and healthier air around your personal breathing space. Okay. So, actually, I saw earlier na it's a video like, di ba, alam mo, uso yung mga vape ngayon. So, they test it with the Cherry Ion Personal Purifier and then without the without this one. Okay? So, they test it if talagang alam mo yun, nakaka-emit siya nung mga smoke or any pollutants doon sa, yun nga, sa tinest nila. So, I'm going to show it to you later. But for now, let's see. Okay. So, first, the charging and indicator status. Okay. So, green means, yun nandito, for this one, yan, the indicator, this one. For green means, it has a charge. And red means, red meaning it's low battery. Okay. So, just turn on or off the button, then the device starts to operate when the indicator light turns green. Okay. So, operation and storage temperature. Di ba binasa ko sa inyo? So, for the operation temperature, usually it's 20 to 45 degrees Celsius. And then, if you are going to store this one, it should be in the area which is 25 to 50 degrees Celsius. Okay. If used or stored outside of this temperature, device may be abnormal condition. So, this one, you can charge it through USB charging cable. Okay. Warning. There's a warning when using this one. Okay. The product is not intended for use by infant and other incapacitated persons. So, bawal siya sa mga infants. Okay? And incapacitated persons. Do not immerse the device in liquid or allow liquid to enter in the device. So, like, diba, we are going to use it outside. So, like, pag nakita na natin na naambon-ambon, alam mo yun, pag naramdaman na natin na naambon-ambon, remove na natin kasi sayang ang pera sa pambili natin. Okay. So, do not take the device to flammable gas environment such as gas station and liquefied gas station. So, if, syempre, hindi naman natin maiwasan na hindi mapadaan sa mga ganyan, lalo na when we are riding in the cars. So, let's just turn it off pagka dadaan tayo sa mga gasoline station. Okay? So, do not use the device under quilt or blanket. So, like under the kumot and everything, wag daw natin gamitin kasi there's a tendency na mag-malfunction or whatsoever. So, do not disassemble or repair the device by yourself in case of any damage. So, you have to go to the service center if there's anything wrong with your operating. This is what I am telling you. Ayan, oh. Do not, touch daw. Okay? So, I am going to unbox again this one. So, I'll show it to you. So, this one is for my baguettes. Again, salamat kay Friend Builders. Okay. So, this is the one that I am talking about. Ayan. So, ayan yung brush niya. It says that do not ever touch it when the device is on. When the device is operating. Okay. The next one is do not press the glass cover. So, huwag mo daw to i-press. Do not press it. Okay? So, the device is not used for a long period. Please charge it once every 2 months to preserve the functionality of the product. Okay. So, let's discuss naman the main functions of this portable air purifier. First is the sterilization. It's safe from airborne bacteria and viruses through 50 million negative ions technology. An ion is highly reactive and able to destroy protein structure of bacteria, virus, and other microorganisms. Okay. Then, the air purification. This, if you are going to use this one, safe air within 3 feet radius vicinity. It's confirmed now scientifically that an ion is able to purify. This one can purify effectively. It can purify air effectively through dust, pollen, smoke, and other particles carrying positive charge. Can easily match with an ion and cohesion with each other, turn into big particles, and fall down. Okay, so yun nga, it's very safe daw to use this one when you are outside kasi it will really purify the air within 3 feet radius vicinity. Okay, like the dust, pollen, smoke, and everything. Okay, next, the radiation protection. This one daw is safe from radiation which damage our health. Is those with positive charge resulting to dry skin, acne, stain, myopia, and etc. So the radiation daw will cause you dry skin, yun nga, acne, stain, myopia. So if you are going to use this one, it's really anti-radiation. Yun nga, it's very safe to use when you are watching TV or when you are using gadgets. Diba kasi ang gadgets ngayon, nandiyan na yan sa panahon natin, lagi na natin ginagamit. So, it's really effective daw and reduces the harm radiation na pumapasok sa ating katawan. So, hindi lang pala goodbye itong air purifier na to sa panahon ngayong pandemic na to kasi even this humupa na tong pandemic na to, it's really okay pa din to use this one. Diba? It's really functional. Okay, so let's discuss naman about charging. So, yun nga, green means it has a charge and red means low-bat na siya. Okay? So, if you are going to charge this one like 2 to 3 hours lang daw as indicated in the manual, 2 to 3 hours charging, you can use it na like for 12 hours straight. Okay? So, yun nga, ang maganda dito, it's zero maintenance, no filter to replace or clean. Unlike the air purifiers at home, there's a need to, to replace the filter every 3 to 6 months. But for this one, it's no maintenance na. So ang pinaka-maintenance na lang for this personal air purifier is hindi mo siya babasain and proper storage. So, like right now, it's maulan, diba? So, if you're going to use it, if naramdaman mo na umulan, just remove it na for it to be safe kasi sayang yung pera na pinabili mo dito. Okay? So, yun, proper storage. So, it's indicated naman in the manual kung saan mo siya pwede ilagay, yun sa init ng panahon kasi ngayon, or so it's already indicated in the manual. Okay? So, ayun nga, usually kasi pag nalabas ako, I usually bring alcohol, tapos I usually wear double face mask. Ewan ko kung bakit nga double yung ginagawa am usually wearing an eyeglass. Okay. So, ayan. So, usually, ganyan lang ang aking style pagka nalabas. Kasi nga, for me to be safe. So, dumagdag din ito personal air purifier. O, diba? Parang mas napaganda yung outfit mo. So, hindi lang siya nakaganda ng outfit. Mas naging safe ka pa kasi it purifies the air around you. Okay? So, ayan. O, diba? Ang ganda. It depends on you na lang on how you are going to style this one. Okay? So, ayan. Pwede siyang choker style. Pwedeng long necklace. It depends on you. Okay? So, right now, I am going to share you some of the video clips I saw earlier at the Cherry Mobile Facebook page. So, they test this one comparing to the other ones na mas cheaper, mas expensive. So, it's really impressive. So, just check this one. So, ayun nga, di ba? Nakita nyo na kung gaano kagaling tong personal air purifier ni Cherry. Di ba? Ang galing, ang galing. Compared to the other ones na mas mura, mas expensive. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda ng quality. Mas mabilis siya nakaka-eliminate ng mga pollutants around you. So, super galing. Okay? Bravo! Ayan, dumating na ang aking husband wearing his portable air purifier. Oh, liga na, come on. So, kakadating niya lang galing work. Galing kay K-Prime Builders. Okay? Galing siya kay K-Prime Builders. Huli ka dito, samahan mo ako at ako'y patapos na din.
Ano ka sasamahan?
Dito. Hindi ka. Oh.
Sa lang upuan. Dito
Yan.
ka siya.
Yan, dito ka. So, ayan. So, I think this one is around 3,500 pesos. So, if you have a money, go buy this one na kasi it's really a good buy. Hindi lang sa panahon ngayong pandemic, you can also wear it for everyday kasi nga, it's also anti-radiation.
Oh,
so, yun nga, anti-radiation din siya. Tapos, like, yun nga, like for everyday kung lalabas ka, it's also anti-pollutant. This one, I think this one is also it's only 3,500 pesos. So, saan nyo ba siya nabili? Direct?
This agent lang.
Okay. So, binili lang din nila to sa agent. But you can also buy it in online platforms like Shopee and Lazada. So, again, this is only 3,500 pesos. It's really portable and stylish. It's really a good buy para mas maging safe tayo sa panahon na ngayon. Okay? Sa panahon ngayon. Okay? So, ayan, oh, 'di ba gamit niya yung kanya, oh. Hanggang ngayon, dito sa bahay gamit niya pa din. Okay? So, I think this will be the end of my video kasi tapos ko na din naman i-discuss sa inyo kung paano gamitin and then yung advantages in using this one. So, that's it. Okay? So, again, we would like to thank our sponsor. Again, it's not sponsored by Cherry. It's sponsored by
K-Prime Builders.
Oh, K-Prime Builders. So, it's sponsored by K-Prime Builders. Again, salamat, Papa Ray, for buying this for the whole family. Thank you for being generous again, okay? So, this is Jasmine Marie and I am now signing off. Okay? So, if you are not yet subscribed yet to my channel, please click the subscribe button. So, click the subscribe button and hit na rin the notification bell so that you'll be updated on all the videos that I am going to upload with my family. Okay? So,